Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Rebecca here, and today I will be doing a what's in my backpack video. So let's get started. So the first thing I have is this Adidas backpack. In the first pocket I have a little bag which holds my portable charger. Some money. And my house key. In the smaller pocket up on top of the Adidas logo, I have my combination lock, which I will unlock for you right now. In the first big pocket, I have my lunch bag. I also have my rulers. And this bag has like one of those things where you can store like pencils and that. So what I have in like the mesh part is my scientific calculator. And in the last pocket I have one of my binders, which will contain my my morning classes, and inside of it I have pens and a highlighter. I also have 2 notebooks and some dividers, which I have to fix. Also, I have like a file folder. So that's what's in that one. In this binder, it has 2 notebooks as in this note binder I have my pens and my highlighter and 2 notebooks and dividers. I also have to fix these dividers. So this binder is for my afternoon classes. So basically third and fourth. And last but not least is my pencil case, which has pens, highlighters, and my eraser. I'm getting a sharpener. And that's it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends or family. And bye, guys.